Let's memorize the Bill of Rights.
Mnemonic Tales.
The First Amendment guarantees several fundamental freedoms, most notably freedom of religion, speech, and press. A religious peach presses its hands together in prayer. Religious peach presses. Religion, speech, press. The Second Amendment, the right to bear arms. Now the peach goes to the bathroom to take a number 2, but is scared away when a pair of bear arms suddenly shoot out of the toilet. Bear arms, the right to bear arms. The Third Amendment prohibits the involuntary quartering of soldiers in private homes. When the peach runs away from the bear arms, it drops a quarter that lands next to a toy soldier. Quarter, soldier, quartering soldiers. The Fourth Amendment prohibits unreasonable searches and seizures. The toy soldier rides the quarter like a surfboard until it crashes into a sneaker. Surf, sneaker, search and seizure. The Fifth Amendment protects against self-incrimination and guarantees due process of law. Hearing the crash, an elf pops out of the shoe. It then pours ink onto 2 possums. Elf, ink, self-incrimination. 2 possums, due process. The Sixth Amendment, the right to a speedy trial and to an attorney. The 2 possums place a seed inside a triangle in the ground. It rapidly grows into a turkey. Seed, triangle, speedy trial. A turkey, attorney. The Seventh Amendment guarantees a jury trial in certain civil cases. Now the turkey places a strip of jerky inside the triangle. It grows into a silver briefcase. Jerky, triangle, jury trial. Silver case, civil cases. The Eighth Amendment prohibits excessive bail and fines, and cruel and unusual punishment. Inside the briefcase is a pail that contains a bottle of wine. Alongside is a pile of croutons. Pail, wine, bail and fines. Croutons, cruel and unusual punishment. The Ninth Amendment establishes that the rights held by citizens are not limited to those listed in the Constitution. A kite floats out of the bottle. Attached is Santa's naughty list. Before it can fly away, it is held down by a group of people. Kite, naughty list, rights not listed. Held by a group of people. Are held by the people. The 10th Amendment reserves powers to the states. It is known as the States' Rights Amendment. The people steer the kite to a plate of steak and rice. Steak, rice, states' rights. Review. A religious peach presses its hands together in prayer. It then goes for a number 2, but is scared off by bear arms. As it runs away, it drops a quarter that lands next to a toy soldier, who surfs on the coin until crashing into a sneaker, alerting an elf, who pours ink on 2 possums. The possums put a seed inside a triangle, causing it to grow into a turkey. The turkey then places jerky in the triangle, where it turns into a silver briefcase, inside which is a pail with a bottle of wine, along with a pile of croutons. A kite floats out of the bottle, attached to which is Santa's naughty list. The kite is held down by a group of people. who steer it to a steak and rice plate.